Hello friends, this one is for the super AI nerds or even AI curious. This is all focused on how do you use some of these pretty good open source large language models right now for free and download them onto your device. The answer is this very lovely tool that we're looking at here called LM Studio. I am using this on my Mac, which is the latest version. This allows you to talk to loads of different open source large language models in one place without the need to do any coding or download any strange files. I'm going to show you what you could do. On the front screen here, you can see the ability to download lots of different large language models. Here, I have downloaded Google's Gemma, which is one of the Gemini models that Google currently has. I've also got Mistral, a 7B as well. I can click to search, and what will happen is I want to search for any large language model. It will search all of the databases on Hugging Face, which is a place where you can download these. You can see that you can download any of these based on specifically what you are looking for, and it tells you here differences between the files. What I'm able to do is very simply chat to all these different LLMs. You can see here, I can chat to Mistral now. I've got loads of abilities here to change options you would never get access to in the premium paid for models. And I can change models easily. I'm using Mistral now. I can change over to Gemini very quickly. And while we're waiting for that, you can see actually, because it's been downloaded to my computer, it's loading it up. So it does take a little bit of time as opposed to the models that you use online. If you just are a casual user, this may not be something for you, but if you want to experiment, if you want to play around with open source models, this is one way to do that. And you can also go into the playground as well. I find the playground really interesting because as you can see, what it says here is that you can load multiple models at once and you can evaluate different models with the same prompt. If I wanted to look at Llama versus Mistral, I could do that and compare different prompts and outputs. If you are looking for a way to get a bit nerdier in this large language model space and figure out how you can make more use of these, maybe if you're building AI agents, maybe if you're looking just to get a bit deeper for your own knowledge, highly recommend that you check out LM Studio. I'm not getting paid for any of this at all, in case you're wondering. Great free resource. What I will say is, though, that of course these open source large language models are nowhere near as powerful as your ChatGPTs, as your Claudes, or your Microsoft Copilots right now. They are going to be limited, but if you are security conscious and you want to have something that you can get without internet access and converse with a large language model, this is a way to do it, folks. So give it a shot. Link will be in the comments wherever you're reviewing this. Any questions, let me know.